In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipients to DocuSign. We'll walk through setting up your recipients, choosing what each person needs to do, and placing the right fields so your envelope is ready to send without delays. Start by signing in to DocuSign and opening the Send or Prepare screen for the envelope that contains your document. In the Recipients area, if you're planning to include more than one person, choose the option to add multiple recipients. Then select Add Recipient and enter the first recipient's name and email address. Click back into the name field to confirm it, and when that's set, choose Add Recipient again to include another person, entering their details the same way. Take a moment to double-check spellings and email accuracy. Even a small typo can prevent delivery. Next, assign what each person needs to do. Use the Action drop-down next to a recipient's information and set the primary signer to Needs to Sign. For someone who should get a copy of the completed document but doesn't need to take action, change their role to Receives a Copy. If you use a specific signing order, you can define it before moving on. Otherwise, recipients get their invitations at the same time. When your list looks correct, click Next to add fields to the document. You'll land in the tagging screen. From the left panel, choose the Signature tool, then click directly on the page where the first signer needs to sign. To place fields for a different person, switch recipients using the colored bubble or the recipient drop-down at the top of the tagging panel, then select Signature again and click where that signer should sign. Repeat this process for each signer so every required signature spot is covered. Add a date. Signed field near the signatures to automatically capture the signing date. Position it clearly so it's easy to read alongside the signature. If your layout is tight, zoom in and nudge fields until they align neatly with your lines or labels. When everything is placed correctly, click Send. DocuSign will email the recipients according to the roles and order you set. You'll get status updates, and once everyone is finished, all parties receive the completed document. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use Receives a Copy for anyone who just needs visibility. Avoid special characters in recipient names to prevent errors. And consider adding extra verification for sensitive documents if your workflow requires it. That's it. You've successfully added recipients, assigned actions, placed fields, and sent your envelope in DocuSign.